It's the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Wednesday evening. I'm James Spann. A long dry spell coming up and some very cool air settling in here this weekend. Let's dig in there and check it out. Much of the nation very quiet on this October day. Got a trough over the east, an upper low that is west of Los Angeles. I could produce some active showers and storms for California. Not necessarily bad news. They'll take that rain. But again, dry air covers much of the continental United States and a huge thermal range today. We started off this day in the 40s. Many spots are in the low 80s this afternoon. Birmingham 80, Tuscaloosa 82. Many spots going 35 degrees from morning low to afternoon high. And we'll see numbers like that tomorrow and Friday as well. Severe weather, marginal risk of all places north of Los Angeles in California with the upper low getting close, but much of the nation very quiet. And rain, how about nothing for the next 5 days? Valid through Monday morning. The big numbers out west, and again, a lot of folks out there could use that rain. Hey, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. Ridging over the western part of the continent, troughing over the east. And down below that, we stay in a very dry air mass. We start the day tomorrow morning around 50. We'll see a high up in the low, maybe mid-80s. It'll be a very warm afternoon. The sky will be bright and sunny. Pretty much the same thing on Friday. The sky will be sunny. The GFS is printing a high of 82. We note that 1032 high over the Dakotas. And Saturday as the weekend begins, here comes that cool air. That big surface high is just west of Chicago. The high Saturday will drop into the upper 60s with a good north breeze. The sky will be sunny. Sunday morning, very chilly. We'll expect low 40s, and some of the colder pockets, I think, easily will see upper 30s. We wonder if maybe some of those protected areas might see a touch of light frost for the first time this season Sunday. Then during the day, we warm up to about 70, the sky bright and sunny. Monday, again, 40s during the morning. The high should be in the low 70s. We stay dry Tuesday, that 1034 high still nosing in from the east. And Wednesday, a week from today, trough going to pass north of us. Down below that, a cold front is lined up from near Chicago down to Abilene, Texas. But this run, like the run we showed you this morning, really shows that rain fizzling out before reaching us late next week and keeps us mostly dry. This is the end of the forecast Saturday, October 24th. Troughing in the west, we've got ridging here. And a fairly interesting look there. Very cold air over the northeast. And we've got evidence of showers and storms west of the state, some type of broad tropical low down in the Gulf. We'll check the European model on the 24th. It's got a tropical low down in the Bay of Campeche. So we've seen good evidence there might be some mischief there. But the good thing, the SSTs are cooler near the Gulf Coast up here, off the Alabama and Northwest Florida coast. That might mitigate any issues that would come up if something develops there. Thought we'd check the anomalies for temperatures. This is for the weekend, and you can see numbers way below average over the east. And here are the ensemble numbers for the next 15 days. You can see that cool snap for the weekend, highs dropping in the 60s, lows well down in the 40s. Next week, very nice. Highs in the 70s, lows in the 40s and 50s. Looks very nice. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.